Hello, happy feast of Saint Therese. So, another book reco. I don't know kung nabasa niyo na to, pero this one, Story of Zoe. So, it's the autobiography of Saint Therese. Kung gusto niyo mag-start ng very, light na book, so this one is okay. This one is easy read. Tapos natawa ako kasi pagbukas ko, I saw this rose. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya galing. Pero feeling ko matagal na siyang nandito. So, yeah. And sabi nila, kapag ka daw nag-ask ka for intercession kay Saint Therese, tapos pag may nakita kang flower, rose, it will happen. It will come true. It will be answered. So, I don't know, pero kasama ba pagka-dried flower? Charot. Ayun, yeah. So, Saint Therese siya is a powerful intercessor, and she also experienced mental health problems. So, pag binasa niyo itong The Story of a Soul, babasa niyo yung nangyari. Ayoko mang spoil kasi masaya siya basahin. Alam mo yung para kang kinakausap ng libro. Parang nakikipagkwentuhan sa iyo yung book, ganun yung feeling. So, sa mga taga dito sa amin, kung gusto nyo basahin, pwede ka naman ipahiram. And this one. So, I have this bookmark din. Sabi dito, little things done out of love are those that charm the heart of Christ. Which is true. So, yung gesture natin, hindi siya necessary maging grand. So, even those little things, those little things matter. Like, those little things really matter. Diba? As long as it's for the greater glory of God. So, yeah. You offer everything you do kay God. Kahit gaano man niya kaliit. Kahit yung pinakasimpleng bagay na naiisip mo. Kahit yung mga everyday mo lang na ginagawa. So, yeah. As long as everything is done out of love. Kasi love is the most powerful thing. As long na may love yung ginagawa mo, I think, ayun yung nagmamatter. Ayun, so, again, kung gusto nyo lang may mababasa na, if you're looking for something na mag-start kayo, so, this one, The Story of a Soul by Saint Therese. Yeah, and, ayun, ask for her intercession. And you love her, actually. You love her. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Diba? Sige, good night. Bye. Happy Fiesta.